Hello and welcome to Enamel Binders Tutorial Part 5. After watching this video series, you will be able to achieve results similar to one seen in these photos. For the next step, you may use the mixture of VMS pigment number 15 and enamel binders matte type. Alternatively, you may use pigment jockey number 5, red earth. Let's weather the road wheels. Simply paint over them with the weathering liquid. Apply heat to get rid of the solvent. Apply some enamel wet effects binder in the center of the wheel to simulate dampness. This way you may also simulate axle grease. Our idler wheel is ready. Let's weather the road wheels. We proceed the same way. Apply weathering liquid, get rid of the solvent and add damp effect if you like. If you are after a more pronounced effect, you may use VMS pigment number 16 and mix it with the binders to create textured paste. Apply the paste like so. Apply heat to check the result. A side-by-side comparison. Textured versus texture-free effect. Let's create a nice wet effect. We are using VMS enamel binders, wet effects and universal weathering carrier. Add a drop of universal weathering carrier to soften the transition. Soak up and remove the excess fluid with your brush. Apply heat to check the result. There, the binder is dispersed and damp effect harmonizes well with rest of the pigment job. These are metal tracks with actual worn rubber pads. We blackened them earlier using VMS Black Track Pro. You can check Black Track Pro product video for details. Start by painting all over the tracks using the red earth weathering liquid we mixed earlier. Alternatively, you may take a shortcut and use pigment jockey number 5. Apply heat to check the result. Apply the weathering liquid over the other side. Apply heat to check the result. Now we shall turn the pigment job into a pigment wash using VMS Universal Weathering Carrier. Dry track in the end result, as seen on the photos from the Vietnam War. A side-by-side comparison. Let's weather the other side of the track. Universal Weathering Carrier turns the pigment job into wash. Use a cotton bud soaked with Universal Weathering Carrier to reveal more of the track. This type has rubber pads on the inner side too. Let's make them pop. Apply heat to check the result. There we go, internal rubber pads are more noticeable. A side-by-side comparison. Both tracks ready for assembly. We will install the road wheels using VMS Flexi 5K Slow Type Glue. All road wheels in place. We leave the sprocket without the glue to help us install the track. Metal tracks are the pinnacle of armor modeling. They look great and sag on their own. Let's touch up our road wheels so they show some rubber. We are using Universal Weathering Carrier and a cotton bud to remove some of the pigment layer. Apply heat to check the result. You may remove as much pigment as you like or leave it be. Sky is the limit. That's that. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it and see you next time.